Okay, we're working on the panhead a little bit, or he's working on it. That way I can charge him double time because I don't want to work on it.
Because it takes twice as long when I do it.
That's right. That's why I do that.
So we need a...
Being you, probably try triple because you're going to screw everything up.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, that appears to be slightly loose. So we're going to have to re-rivet that. So we need something solid and hard. That might resemble this.
You put that inside?
Yep, that goes in there. That's not exactly the correct way. You'll figure it out though eventually.
Like that?
It's not going to hit the rivet that way.
Jeez.
Oh, it's too confusing.
Yeah.
You're running out of options though.
Like this.
Oh, jeez, he figured it out. Look at that.
And just smack it.
See? There you go.
So you put this in a vise.
You figured that out. Look at that. Amazing how that would work. That would actually work pretty good. I'm glad I didn't think of that. Okay, which vise are you going to put that in? You're going to put it in a small vise or the big vise?
Like this.
Down there with your arms, between your balls.
Yeah.
Don't slip. So we have this big vise right here. And we got the other vise over in the welding shop over there. Now this one looks like it's made to hold a big chunk of pipe. Some nice big gnarly teeth. So I think we're going to try this vise here.
Cheap and black.
Of course it's held on the table with white C-clamps. Where's your tube at, boss?
Right here, boss.
Does it fit? Doesn't go that way.
This way.
Nope.
This way.
Look at the vise. How's it made? How's the vise made? Where's the jaws at?
Right here.
Yeah, I said jaws, not jaw.
These are jaws.
These are jaws too.
Oh.
And they're V-shaped for a reason. Guess why? Oh, they hold pipe. Imagine that. Jeez.
And you even opened it exactly the amount.
No, center it up a little bit so I can tighten it. That means you have to work a little bit here. You might hit it right? Okay. Is it tight? Why don't you use the other handle? Feel good and tight now?
That's pretty tight.
Pretty tight?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where's your part?
Right here.
Look at a job bike out there. Who cares? I was impressed by that burnout. Were you? I don't think it was a burnout. I think you're just revving it up. Trying to piss off somebody. Okay, so how are you going to do this?
I'm going to go get my hammer.
There you go.
Do some shaping.
Yeah.
He brought his own tools, see? Look at
Nice.
that. Well, that is
Baby hammer.
that's a precision instrument there. Now the way this works is you actually have to put the rivet head on top of the pipe. If you have it way over here and hit on it, what's it going to do?
It's going to bend your thing.
It's going to bend it right where it's hitting the pipe, so you have to put the rivet on the pipe. And you got to hit it right there. And probably the ball peen might work better than the other one. Hear that nice solid impact?
Mm-hmm.
Notice how the pipe moved in the vise?
So it's not that tight.
Oh, I guess it wasn't. I just keep hitting it though. It's just adjusting itself. That one's gonna be hard to get to. I skip that one. Oh, there goes the ear got in the way. You're doing a good job there, boss.
Doing anything.
I don't know. Maybe not hitting it right.
Should I hit it harder?
I don't know. Is it working?
No.
Yeah. Hit it harder then.
Oh wow.
Beautiful.
Oh, geez, imagine that. You notice how it sounds different when you're off the side of the pipe?
Now it's loose again.
You notice how it sounded different when you were not in the right spot?
Mm-hmm.
If you notice, it also bent right in here because you weren't in the right spot also.
I'm gonna start back here again.
Mm. Look at that.
Excellent.
Now I gotta do these ones.
Mm-hmm.
So leave this one.
No. Yeah, but that way.
Hmm?
Yeah, I can hit it with that. You have to use the flat side. We're gonna use the punch.
Probably a punch.
A punch? You want to punch it now? I have to keep hammering on it. Let me show you how to use a hammer. First thing you do is get a real hammer. Yeah, your hammer and my hammer are about the same, but this is a real hammer. Mine's an old hammer. Mine's older.
Hmm.
Here, you do this part. You get my hammer dirty. I can hold this. I'm a big boy. There appears to be a dent right here for some reason. Why is that?
Someone put it in it.
Should I make some more rounds here? We're using the pipes hitting here, but I'm getting over here. See? Remember I told you hit the wrong spot, it bends it. In this case, we want to make it bent because it was not good. Okay, so right here. See how I roll around the head?
Mm-hmm.
Guess I'm hitting harder. See where I'm holding on to it? Not here. You got a lot more force here. So you can't get in there because that's in the way, so you have to look over this way, then that one will work. So you do what you can. You really need the punch.
Wow. Good as new.
It's harder now. I got some problems over here though, see? That's the wrong spot. A little straighter. Now, get some more bent areas over here. Alright. I'm sure this other one's nice and tight too, right?
I never had a problem with that one. But it doesn't hurt to hit it.
You got that right. I think we got dead hits going on. It's sharp over there. See that little thing right there?
Mm-hmm.
It digs into my finger when I do that.
Does it hurt?
No, I like that. It's all bent to hell. Alright, that might hold on to this time.
Mm-hmm.
Now, these can be straightened if you want to by heating on a flat surface like this. But these are missing the reinforcement.
That's why I run bolts.
See the
Or
reinforcement?
nuts.
There? You mean this is not brand new?
No.
I would have never known that. Looks like you got a little bit too much of a tightening going on there too.
I didn't want it to come out.
I think I'm bleeding over there a little bit. That is sharp. This is all bent to hell over here too for some reason. What'd you do to that?
I don't know.
It's a good thing we got a round tube right here. You can straighten that. little flatter. It's still been really tighten it, but. All right. So all these little hammer marks you can hammer out or you can leave them.
I'll just leave them.
They all matching. All right. There appears to be a hole if you let the oil out right there.
Yeah.
Must be the oil drain hole.
Must be.
All right, there you go. Good to go.